Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Also, we're just gonna check what's going on with the Hit Me Up video, is it? Because we reacted to the audio yesterday, and then the video was in development because we saw the behind the scenes, and today we have the actual video. So, let's see what's going on with the video. Okay, then Shona.
What?
Bro, who is making these videos? I think, like, I wanna get to this level of recording.
Oh, baby, that's my Shona Prince.
Broken heart was on the floor, you came picked it.
Now, this Takura Doppelganger or whatever, this Takura Doppelganger is actually quite cool. He embodies Takura in a way, like, Zugdodi, if you don't look closely, you might think it's Takura. I don't know if it's only me, because like the dressing, the boot, Takura always does the boots. Takura is not a sneakers guy. The jacket, the baggy jeans, cap, the glasses, you know. Takura also has this style of kind of ignoring the ladies in the video. I don't know how he does it, but it kind of shows his dominance. I don't know, man. He's doing it so cool. Who the heck is this guy?
Up, put the pieces all together, come and fit it up. Teach me how to love you better. Nina did it up, moyo wako ndakapeta, nikafiki.
Wait, who's this girl? I know who this girl is. I know who this girl is. Okay. I think she's Miss Pink something.
Chero ndikamarwane, nunzu nonditsingira. When the whole world is against me, nonditsikira. If you ever feeling sad, lokuyimbira. And if you ever feel lonely, baby, hit me up, hit me up, hit me up, hit me up, hit me up.
Okay, one thing I would say about this video is I don't think there was supposed to be a girl in the video, since like it's supposed to depict like some long distance relationship type thing. But maybe I'm judging too quickly. This is just 40 seconds in. So let's see what's the significance of that. Because I get the whole phone thing, because obviously hit me up, call me and stuff. I get the whole, low key vibes. It's, feeling a little bit lonely. But I don't get the girl in the video. Kuti, she's for what? What is she doing there?
Dichago, mirira, 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 mirira. Your love is enough for me, not for me, not for me, not for me, not for me. So you can hit me up, hit me up, hit me up, hit me up, hit me up.
Ankobe swag. All right. I'm gonna be a fashion advisor here. Look, people haven't seen me hit the outfits and stuff, but I swear I'm gonna start posting these things. Sane.wav has the style. He just needs to layer something on top. Like, this would have been hard if he had worn like a white shirt and a black tie underneath this t-shirt. Only that, just a layer, my brother. Just a layer. But anyway, we're here for the art, not the clothes.
Yeah, hit me up, one colorway. Ipapunda papacha but do
Shona see.
and the kumire mtire
Kunda all the way.
You be crossing my mind even when I'm on the stage. Oh,
Lydia.
when you throw it back, then you pick it up. If I ever meet you there, swear you gon' pick me up. Never gonna feel bad, you don't even meet yourself. Yeah, pull up to my bed, it's like see me there. If you ever feeling lonely, when the
Now I'm gonna comment on this again, brother. You see how there was someone on TikTok saying, "Hey, people don't listen to my music. Hey, support local artists." But that person was singing about Glocks and sticks and niggas and bitches and baddies and cars. Like, oh, so what do you want us to do? Right? We don't relate to that. In Zim right now, we relate to women acting all weird and us trying too hard. I mean, this is relatable. You get it? Like, it's relatable. But I still don't get the significance of the girl in this video, if I'm being honest.
I be feeling sad, baby, no go zimbira. Baby, hit me up. The chago, mirira.
Bro, that guy is just Takura, bro. What do you mean?
The chago, mirira.
This is just Takura, bro. Ain't no way. I still don't get the significance of the girl. Like, you see what Silent Ko did yesterday was he, in the set of the video, it was set to show what it is, the absence of someone who's supposed to be there, like a lady who closes the curtains before about graft. You get it? And like someone who's probably cleaning up the plates. Not really cleaning up the plates, but like the reason that he ate in his bedroom shows good he was alone at home. Otherwise, he would have ate on the table. You wouldn't have gone that far. So the girl here in this video is kind of ruining the vibes, if I would say. But the video is a 9 out of 10. The 1 point is for me.
Your love is enough for me. So you can hit me up.
All right. Okay. I get it. It's good. Minus the girl. I would say remove the girl and just leave the guys so that it shows Kuti, I'm 1 call away, hit me up. Because the girl being there in the same room as the guy. But wait, hold up. They're separated by a phone. Saga, that must mean Kuti, that must mean Kuti, like, they're not in the same room. It's symbolic. Like, like, I'm 1 call away. If you want to talk to me right now, pick up the phone. Okay. Now I understand the significance of the girl. So 10 out of 10 video. And then I would say Sane.wav needs to act or needs to learn how to act on camera for a music video. Probably there's no right way to do it. But yeah, it wasn't giving vibes for love, I would say. So yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, 10 out of 10.